Now, we'll be demonstrating the technique we use to open and stretch pizza dough. We offer our method as a starting point, and we encourage you to explore various techniques to find the one that suits you best. While there are many ways to achieve this, each method can lead to slightly different results. Regardless of the technique, the goal is the same: to create a delicious homemade pizza that you and your loved ones will enjoy. Let's dive into the art of pizza making. Lightly flour a spatula and proceed to retrieve the dough ball, which should be placed on the kitchen counter with plenty of flour. Depending on the degree of fermentation, the dough balls might be stuck together. In that case, always using the lightly floured spatula, proceed to separate the necessary dough balls and then retrieve them. In the event that the dough ball has lost its round shape, appearing square, it will be necessary to return it to a round shape using floured hands, working exclusively on the edges, gently without applying pressure. At this point, we can proceed with the pre-stretching of our dough ball, dusting the ball with flour, remilled semolina flour as a best choice. Press the ball with your fingertips. Avoid pressing the center of the ball, otherwise you risk tearing the pizza in the center. Work on the both sides of the dough. Gently start to stretch the disc of the dough with a clockwise rotational movement, or counterclockwise if you are left-handed. Once you have reached half of the desired size, start to remove excess flour slide. Then slide the dough disc along the edge of the counter, carefully, until you reach the final dimension. If you have a traditional home oven, proceed as follows. If you have a professional pizza oven, skip to the next lesson. You can adjust the size of your disc by lightly pulling the edges of the disc with your fingers.